back to the football, and it seems parity of esteem is very, very important if you're sending good wishes to the teams from Stormont. The BBC's Mark Simpson was following proceedings at Stormont's Committee for Culture, Arts and Leisure. Mark, explain what happened to us.
Good afternoon from Belfast here on you, where football fever is gripping the city, as I'm sure it is down in Dublin too. There are two different ways of looking what happened here at Stormont this morning. The positive outlook is that in spite of all the difficulties that there have been here between the political parties, particularly the Unionist parties and Sinn Féin, today they all agreed on something to send good wishes to both football teams on the island tonight. The more negative view is the fact that tonight's big games were turned into a bit of a political football. Here's what happened. The Unionists proposed a motion wishing the Northern Ireland team success against Greece. Sinn Féin agreed, but asked that good wishes also be sent, surprise, surprise, to Martin O'Neill and the Republic's team. And they asked that this be added to the motion. Here's a phrase we haven't heard in a long time. The DUP said no to that proposal. And here's William Humphrey from the DUP to explain why.
This is the Northern Ireland Assembly. This is the Northern Ireland football team. It's a team for everybody in Northern Ireland. I don't think we should bring politics into it. And I would like, the committee to agree that a message goes to the Northern Ireland team, and then we can deal with the issue of the Republic of Ireland team and other home countries afterwards. But I'd like to make that proposal.
But there was a happy ending of sorts. Sinn Féin then proposed a separate motion wishing success to Martin O'Neill's men. Unionists agreed, but here's the rub. They added that best wishes should also be sent to our near neighbour Scotland, who, as all of our listeners will know, are one of the Republic's big rivals for a playoff place. In many ways, Anya, this morning at Stormont, it's not the first time we've said this, you couldn't make it up.
You certainly couldn't. Thank you for filling us in on all of that. And let's, on the news at one, we don't have to worry. We wish all of them well, but we do hope that we get that playoff pace if it comes to that.